Hey guys, welcome back on the Salesforce Health Cloud tutorial video. So today we are going to talk about the data model in Health Cloud in this video. Okay, so we are covering the things are like what is the data model, why does it matter in Health Cloud, some key points. Okay, how people accounts and relationship works, person account, household relationship. Talk with some example, and after that the summary. Okay, so let me just yes. So first of all we need to know about what is a data model. Okay. Okay, so first of all we are going to talk about what is a data model, or why it is matter in Health Cloud. Okay, so a data model shows how the information like patient, doctor, family, insurance, hospital is organized and connected in Salesforce Health Cloud. Okay, so like we are working with a patient. Okay, we are working with a care team. We are working with goals, plans. So how it is managed in Salesforce. So all of these information are organized or connected in Salesforce Health Cloud. Okay, so understanding the data model helps you to build, customize, and solve the business problem in Health Cloud, right? So this is all about the data model. I am giving only the high level idea to you, right? So next is the key point: how the people accounts and relationship work. If we are working on person account, if we are working on account, and what then what we need to know about what are the relationship and how it is work between them. Okay, so let's talk about this. So I am covering in this video for this like 10 points. Okay, so first of all talk about the first point. So the first one is person account. So the most patient in Health Cloud are the setup as a person account, not a regular business account. So the person account is actually a mix up of both account and contact, right? So it is stored all of the information for individual patient. Example: Charles Green is a patient. So let me just show you. Uh, yeah. Okay. So Mr. Charles Green is a person account, right? So okay, so Charles Green is a patient, so he is a person account in Salesforce. As we saw here, the object name here is person account, right? Okay, so this is a person account, and the second is household. A household is a patient household, like a family or home. Is tracked as an account too, right? Charles Green household, like Green household, is an account, and his wife uh, Shwana Green is also a person account. Okay, let's look into that. So I am giving as an example to you. Okay, so this is the all about household. The third one is relationship. The person account can be related to the household account and to each other. Like Charles and Shwana are connected as a husband or a wife, right? So Salesforce can show the contact to contact relationship, like marriage, okay, dependence, caregiving, etc. Okay, so the scenario example is like linking together all the pieces, right? Charles Green is a patient, and he is a person account, and married to Shwana Green. Also, she is a person account. She have a person account. Both are the part of Green household account, right? Because they are linked to Charles Green, and Shwana are connected as a family, and Charles Green connected to a Green household. Okay, and same for Shwana, right? So adding insurance and services. My next topic is adding insurance and services. So the fourth point is including in adding insurance services is that medical insurance payers. Okay, and so the fourth one is medical insurance, or we can say payers. So Charles Green have a medical insurance from, for example, we can say Blooming Healthcare health plan, account type like payer. Like if we create an account, है ना? If we create an account which have a record type pair, okay, and the naming considered as Blooming Health Plan, right? And his insurance company is linked to him and his payee, right? And Charles cover include transportation for medical appointments, right? So, and the fifth point is transportation company. There is a transportation company that provided rides, like, okay. So, and this company linked to the insurance for service agreement, and also Charles Green as a person getting a ride. So, for example, if we are going with an example for suppose Charles Green needs to go the clinic, but he is not able to drive, okay, because he have too much pain of back pain, right? So, uh, so the transportation company, or we can say pair, will uh, reach out at their home and keep it up at the Charles Green's clinic. Okay, so these are the transportation company. The next is arrange and helper. Like Anna arranged to help with Charles transportation. Anna is connected to Charles, contact to contact. Anna is connected to Charles, and this is called a connect to connect, contact to contact relationship, and to the transportation company. Okay, the seventh point is how sharing and visibility work. So each of these relationship can have a sharing rule, who can see or edit which data, right? For privacy and practical use. Okay, and connection, and all connection between the people, family, services, and insurance make building health cloud solution possible. Everything is mapped, right? Okay, so these are all the about uh, these are all the health cloud object special Salesforce data type. If we install the package, you these are all the object, okay, or we can say Salesforce data type. So most of what is described above use regular Salesforce object like account and contact, but for medical events or services, health cloud adds extra specialty object such as clinical encounter. So I am going to cover my eighth point is clinical encounter, right? So when Charles visit a clinic or a hospital, and a clinic encounter record is created in our Salesforce, right? So this link to Charles to facility and provider like a doctor, or the reason for the visit like the kidney stone. Okay, the reason for visit and diagnosis. The ninth point is reason for visit and diagnosis. Each counter has like a provider, for example, Doctor Mr. Peterson. Like, just show me you an example. We are talked, we are discussed these things in our video. So, and this is also we are discussed in our video. Let me just. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay. Uh, the ninth point is reason for visit and diagnosis. Each counter has the provider like a doctor, for example, Dr. Peterson. The reason is could be back pain for kidney stone, and medical diagnosis and request for test and services. Like these are all the reason and visits for diagnosis, right? And the tenth and the last point is connecting data. All encounter detail like hospital, doctor, visitors, and diagnosis and linked insurance are stored in a related in the health cloud data model. Right? This help clinics and care teams to track history and coordinate care efficiently. Okay, so these are all the 10 points for how the people accounts and their relationship, how it is works. Okay, so these are all the things. Now we are going to talk about why is this data model powerful, right? Why we need to use the data model in health cloud. So let's deep dive into this. So if you can data model is very powerful. Okay, so you can see everything about a patient in one place, like family insurance, family member insurance, medical visits, relationship, and more. Okay, the next is easy for sharing and privacy. Rules lets you decide who can see what the data. Okay, so for let's example for a staff, or a specialist or insurance or helpers, right? The next is automation and reporting. Data model structure makes it easy to build automation. Sorry, automation reminder approvals and track health history. Okay, the next is flexible for adding new data. As a patient adds a new insurance, gets a new helper, or has another medical events, you simplify, add more records and link them, right? So this can be flexible. Okay, so these are all the things which I want to discuss in this video, so let me just summarize to you. Okay, so if you want to learn even more, and check out Salesforce Schema Builder in your org, open the person account, or clinical encounter or related object to see their connections. Okay, good data modeling in hand cloud means better care for patient, easier management for provider, and less stress for everyone using the system. Okay, and health cloud data model uses person account for patient, account relationship for family services, and links everything through the custom object like clinic encounter to track every pieces of the patient health care journey. Okay, so it's all about organized, connected, and secure data, right? So if you want to help visualizing this with diagram or have specific business scenarios, ask and I can. Okay, so if you help visualizing this diagram or have a specific scenario, you can create some step-by-step connection or walkthrough for you. Walkthrough or walk through your Salesforce or right. So yeah, so that's the thing I want to discuss in this video. It's done. Hope this will help and make your concept better. Yeah, thank you.